Okay, so today we are doing the top tickers challenge, but like instead of doing one, we're doing two. And let's just get that two out here. Okay. Let's pass it.
Close it down. Yeah, this is fine.
Like always, people always get one, but I'm going for two tickets. And then I'm going to two rounds. That's perfect.
This is to go to Ed Fair.
Right. Now the rule is, if I make a sour face, I have to get taste. Then you're gonna go.
Oh.
I'm actually going to flip. So I have the first one out here.
Hang on, can't wait. It's right to the what tasting.
Well, taste is you basically get your fingers, two on them, and then you just stick it in here, and then some people have tickles, there's no tickle, there's no more. Basically, the rule of tasting. Open.
Oh, I could actually pause it like a real thing.
Yeah, so I finally got it. See, two dots first, and then that's why I'm gonna put it up in the and then put this straight up.
Hang on, show them again. Show them again. Okay. Now,
Right,
put it in your mouth.
number. One moment, everyone. Toxic waste, please, sponsors.
We are doing another video next week. Yes, we're doing another video next week. Well, what's this supposed to do?
Be back later.
My dog. I'll come back around here.